Oh no, she's crying. She's crying. She's crying. Bitch, she's crying.
It's because she's happy to be alive after all this not breathing.
She's crying.
See?
That was so good. The pizza. Fabio, it's recording.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
Oh, and Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be eating pizza mukbang and watching Morris.
Oh wow, optimizing here, optimizing.
And also watching Morissette Amon's latest performance in Korea. She did this last year. She did great. She sang Emotion and whatever that other song is. And this year, she's at the festival again. I don't know what song, and it came out today, and I'm so excited to see it. Yeah, anyway, without further ado, because we're so excited, we're gonna eat pizza now.
Yeah, it's my dinner. I just came from work. I just changed into comfy. Oh wow. Oh.
I'll put Morissette's face on here as a thumbnail. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
I'm not even gonna react. I'm just gonna eat.
Intro. You better react. Oh my god, she didn't wait. She hitting the high notes, the whistle tone right away.
Right away. Oh.
Throwback.
Cool swag.
Oh my god, she's speaking in Tagalog.
Oh, is
Speaking.
she?
She's singing in my language.
Oh. Oh wow, that's a huge stage.
I read somewhere it's her original song.
Bring the chair.
That's interesting. She's speaking in my language.
Oh my god, this is an insane stage.
I love her outfit. I love her makeup. Miko, you did great.
I saw he posted it on Instagram already.
I know. Apparently it's her original song.
This one?
Yeah.
She's dancing. Look!
It's the same stage. I feel like people are gonna get mad again at the audience because they're quiet. This is the first time. This is the first time me hearing the song. It's actually very, very nice beat.
Oh wow, triple step.
She's gotten so skinny. We should not be eating this pizza in front of her.
Oh, whatever.
I'm shy. Like,
I really don't like the chorus. I mean the voices, the background voices.
why do you never like the background?
I don't know. I really, not just for her, for everyone.
Is she rapping? Hey.
She's good. Look how healthy her hair is. Damn.
I don't think all of it is hers. Oh my god, she's actually rapping.
Mabuhay, she said.
Yeah.
I understood that. I'm learning!
You're becoming Filipino. Watch, she's gonna hit the whistle tone. I know it. Oh my god, everybody's just texting. People are gonna get mad at them again.
I cannot believe it. Like, why do you go to a concert if you text?
Be in the moment. But these are Koreans, right? You don't know her.
Oh, but they paid for the ticket.
gotten so good. She's gotten so popular. I remember watching her at The Voice Philippines, and she was just nobody then, and then now look at her.
She's having so much fun on that stage.
I don't know.
I mean, it's hard not to have fun on that big stage.
Well, bitch, do you have fun, bitch? I'm kidding.
Stop saying that word in front of the audience.
My name is Morissette and I am from the
감사합니다.
Hi, Maris. We're here. Notice us.
And I am so happy to be back here for Asia Song Festival. Thank you so much for having me again.
I must say, I'm not a big fan of the color of her outfit, but
I'm loving it.
you love
That
it.
first song I
Well,
just
I'm
sang
colorblind,
is
so
one of my original Filipino music.
You probably
It's
see it in
titled
gray.
Throwback. I hope you
No.
guys like that song.
See, it's her original song. Throwback.
제 필리핀 앨범 수록곡인 Throwback이라는 곡인데요. 여러분이
Oh, is she singing it? Are we reacting to?
Just translation.
Oh,
This next song that I would like to share with all of you, I wanted to challenge myself and do something I've never really done before.
oh.
다음 곡은 저의 도전적이고
Like singing bass
새로운 시도를
instead of-
해보려고 하는데요.
When I first heard this song, it really brought me to tears.
제가 이 곡을 처음 들었을 때
What is this, beauty pageant? An interpreter?
know.
Miss Philippines. I need an
friend
interpreter,
actually
please.
Should we split
Suggested
it
this
into
song
videos?
to me, but he's
Should we
based
split it
in
into
my
videos?
country, and
No,
I
I'm just
decided
gonna cut
to put
this.
my own twist to this song.
이 곡은 제 한국인 친구가 추천해준 곡인데 약간의 색다른 시도를
She has a very angelic face.
Hmm.
This is originally by the powerhouse Lee Young-hyun, and I hope that you would like my rendition of this song.
What does that mean? Like a
모두가 잘
Korean
알고
singer?
계신
I'm curious.
이영훈님의 노래입니다. 잘 들어주세요.
Oh, the audience says, "Oh," so I think they know this. They like it.
So keep saying that. Insult me. Wow, the tree of life. Oh, it's in English. I thought in Korean. It's crazy how her.
Ow! Stop elbowing me.
It's crazy how her.
Stop. Stupid.
It's crazy how her expression changes quickly from happy and lively to mellow and serious.
She's an artist. She knows.
How many earrings does she have? Oh, just.
That's the in-ear monitor. Stupid.
Oh, I thought it was in Korean.
You fell for me and said you loved me, but you just let me fall and never tried to catch me at all. Should I hate you and try to just forget? Should I blame
It's a very sad song.
and live with this regret? If I could only do it all again, I would turn back time.
But it's so nice that
When I was yours and you were
she sang the Filipino song and then this song. No, that's sweet.
Wow.
still not sorry. Oh, you just cut out. Did you ever think of everything I feel?
It's so sad.
It is. I'm listening. Can I listen?
I can't listen because you're chewing loud. Wow. Still, she took a breath now for the first time.
That's all in one breath.
This is her style. She has to
A ballad.
stick to this.
A ballad. Let's wait. High note. Wow. Whoa, this is so good.
For a second, I thought she was gonna be off key.
This is higher, getting higher and higher. Boy.
Ooh. Now I understand why she said that she cried the first time she heard
Why?
it.
Why?
Because then, when she has to sing it, of course you cry.
Because
So
it's
hard.
So high. You think you're funny, huh?
I am.
Oh no, she's crying. She's crying. She's crying. Bitch is crying.
It's because she's happy to be alive after all this not breathing.
She's crying.
Seriously, if you push me one more time.
Oh, that's it.
Wow.
Oh.
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 Okay.
That was so good. The pizza.
Okay, let's review this. So,
Quickly though.
why are you rushing me?
13 minutes. I need to
That's
edit.
not my fault. I told you to split it in two videos. So I have to say the first song I did not like. I'm sorry. You can come for me.
Well, it's in Filipino.
Well, not just because of
You
that.
don't understand it.
Okay. I'm judging her. You're not judging me.
Okay.
No, I didn't like it too much. It was a nice rhythm and everything, but I think she shows off more when she's doing these kind of
ballads.
songs.
Yeah.
Because when she raps, it's nice.
No, because I like hearing her in fast songs sometimes when she sings Emotions by Mariah Carey. That was her
Yeah,
song.
see, I didn't like that song.
Oh, you
either.
didn't like that song?
No.
Well, anyway, I get Fabio's point. He likes all the ballads. I like all the ballads too, but I like all Morissette.
No, but
Period.
wait, like KZ, I like when she raps.
Because that's her style.
Yeah. So
I'm not saying... I'm saying... We're judging Morissette here. Why are you comparing the two?
because in that rap part, I could keep thinking of KZ. Be like, I wish she rapped it.
I can rap too. But anyway, that's it. We love Morissette. I love Morissette, period. And I love
She's
her.
amazing.
But I agree that I love her more
Just
in ballad.
burped.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And we're going to finish this pizza. And see you all next time.
Bye, guys.